What do we got there, Liam? What is that? It's called Jell-O. Do you want me to help you get a bite? Okay. What do you think? Is that yummy? Is that a good special treat? Cold? It's cold? Yeah. Spoon. Do you need help getting more? You can do it? Okay. Well, that's a big bite.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Oh, a jiggler.
Slice that up. There you go.
Is that good?
Yummy. Oh. Nope. Use your spoon. We have to use your spoon.
Mama.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's your spoon.
It's okay.
You did it.
You like that, Joe? Yeah.
What about you? You want Jell-O too? Well, rub a nut.